got my paint, I've got my instructions, and I've got my sprayer. This is the Synxiter HVLP sprayer. It's cordless, runs off a battery. It's basically got 3 parts to it. There's a few more little ones, but you got your big tub, it holds all the paint. You have your head, your gun head, and in addition to the gun head, you have, you know, this threaded on piece that you can take off and swap out for a different nozzle. We'll go with the finer nozzle for right now. It comes with 2 sizes, a small, a fine mist, and then a bigger mister. And the little head, the directional head, will turn one way or the other. The air comes out from these 2 little points that stick out. They shoot this way, which will give you a vertical spray pattern. If you turn it the other way, the air will come out this way, which will give you a horizontal spray pattern. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The little guy on the front is pointed towards the direction of whichever way you're going to spray. If you're going to spray up with this on, your paint's going to puddle down here in the bottom, and you're going to want to turn this guy to the back. Now you can see it's grabbing everything off the bottom with this tube. That's just your suction tube. It's kind of a nice feature that it angles like that, and you can turn it whichever way you want. If you're going to spray up or spray down, you want to aim that tube in the direction you're spraying. If you're spraying straight forward, it doesn't really much matter which way you're putting the little tube down. So the big motor part itself runs off a Dewalt battery. Generic batteries work just fine. Any kind of Dewalt battery will fit in there. Okay, and let's turn it to the side, push it on, and it clicks. Now we're pushing air. Okay. The big canister. I found over the years that the best way not to have to deal with a lot of paint and cleanup is just use a plastic sandwich bag. Freezer bag, sandwich bag. You put it in here, wrap it over the top. When your paint goes in, and you screw this down, and cleanup is super simple. It's just super simple. The kit also comes with this little funnel here. This is to gauge how thick your paint is, and you want to thin it down with some water depending on, you know, what kind of paint you have. I have latex paint, so I'm going to thin it with water, but you're going to want to thin it down until it's running through here at a certain amount of speed per minute. You know, you want to be able to empty this thing out in, I think it's like 30 seconds, or maybe it's 60 seconds. I'll have to look it up, and we will make sure that we are doing it appropriately so that we aren't clogging the gun up with super thick paint. That's the one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to clog this suction hose up with really thick paint. It needs to be thinned down. So we will do that. We will test our viscosity and get moving. All right. So open up some paint here. For latex paint, 45 run out time is 45 to 90 seconds. I think 60 seconds is a good number. Put that down. Check our timer. It's pretty close. But 30 seconds in and it's half gone. Here's a little trick I learned a while ago. Works pretty good too. Take a little piece of tape, put it at an angle across. Take another little piece of tape, put it at another angle across. See that little triangle right there? Now when you pour it, it comes out that triangle. Alright. No drips. So I'll take this off. Get that heavy weight off of there. There we go. Put the lid on. There we go. Nice and tight. Turn it sideways. Click it into place. Now, let's go out and spray some wood. Okay, a few final thoughts. All in all, I thought the sprayer did a really good job. There's a little bit of a learning curve, you know, with everything. You got to put it together and whatnot. One thing I found with just this head nozzle, if you have the little nozzle off and you pull the trigger, it pulls this little white piece back in. So when you go to put the little nozzle in, it fits up there nice and snug so that you can put your cap on, your threaded cap, and it makes it go on a lot easier than having to struggle with trying to push this in. So, a little trick there. This little guy here on the side, this little dial, that one gives you the width of your fan. So that's kind of a neat little feature. I like that. Gives you a little bit more dialed in, I guess you could say. And you know, this little part down here that fits up underneath here into this little hole, that comes out nice and easy to clean. It's just a little tube. It's really not a lot of, you know, stuff to it. Take it all apart, put it in a bucket of water, run it under the hose, whatever you got to do to clean it. Cleans up really quick, really nice, and it goes together nicely. The bag inside works really good, I gotta say, you know. Cleanup is pretty easy. And this guy, you're good to go. Throw yourself on a Dewalt battery, and you got yourself a nice little sprayer. I give it a thumbs up all the way. It's a really great little product. I do recommend it. It's good product. Go get yourself one. All right, you guys have a great day.